In the script box, write or paste your script. Here, we are using a sample script on wildlife. Now select the desired aspect ratio and pick a template of your choice. Then it goes to the next step where you can select the language and dialect of the video. You can choose whether you want premium stock media or unique AI media for each scene. Next, let's select the voice for our video by clicking the voice name. Finally, click Submit. Fliki will create the video based on your script and selections. Once the video is created, you can preview the video by clicking on the play icon below the video.
Whispers of the Wild, a journey awaits. Imagine a world where giants roam free, where the earth trembles with their every step.